Well, thanks for checking out our 2018 PX Mark III Ranger. This one here has got the balance of the 5-year unlimited K warranty, factory Ford bull bar, Ironman driving lights, LED daytime running lights as well. It's got the Bridgestone jeweler tyres on it. Coming through on the body, it's in excellent condition. Has been an Elders rural vehicle, so one of the managers for that business has driven the car and they option them up with that bull bar, the driving lights, brake controller, and many other things. ISOFIX child restraints, and the peace of mind you got is that it does have the new car warranty on it. Tow bar on the back, you've got the soft auto tub liner standard, rear protection cover for the back here as well for any load, snorkel, and coming through inside, it's in great condition. Only travelled 156,000 Ks with full Ford service history and a full Ford dealership roadworthy.